A timing belt works by keeping your engine's top half and bottom half in perfect synchronization. This thick rubber belt is the critical link between the crankshaft and the camshaft. Down at the bottom of the engine, the spinning crankshaft pushes the heavy metal pistons up and down. This creates the immense power needed to physically move your vehicle down the road. Up at the top of the engine, the camshaft controls the intake and exhaust valves. These metal valves open to let air in and close to seal off the roaring combustion chamber. The timing belt connects these two major spinning shafts. It ensures the valves open at the exact millisecond the pistons drop and close perfectly before the pistons shoot back up. If this heavy-duty rubber belt snaps while you are driving at highway speeds, the engine instantly loses its mechanical rhythm. The camshaft stops spinning, but the heavy pistons keep firing upward. Those rising metal pistons will violently smash directly into the stuck-open valves. This devastating collision instantly destroys the entire top half of your engine, costing thousands of dollars to fix. Manufacturers use spinning metal tensioner pulleys to keep this rubber belt extremely tight. You must replace the belt, the water pump, and these pulleys at the exact mileage recommended in your manual. Skipping this vital maintenance turns your car into a ticking time bomb. It is hidden behind a protective plastic cover, silently coordinating thousands of violent explosions every single minute.